I'm gonna do, as I said before, the nutmeg is very good for helping to reduce pain, helping with toothache and a lot more. But do not have too much of nutmeg, because some research, so you have to be careful, okay? We're gonna be making a cup of tea from it. And as I say, I have some which I already grated, and roughly about half a teaspoon. And I'm going to put some hot water also inside of it. All right. Now, if you want to have a little bit of flavor to it, you can also add a little bit of lemon juice if you like to. You know what I mean? Some people don't like to drink things, they like to drink it another way. So if you want to, you can also add that. I want to encourage you, but if you like to, or you can drink it like that, just put half a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It is an amazing drink, and I would encourage you guys to drink this at home. The nutmeg, very good spices for you to have in your diet at home. All right, just leave it like that for a second, and then you drink it, and you will see some great result. Well, if it's something you learn new brand this morning from Chef Ricardo, please let me know, because we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas can share with you. And as I said, you are just great at this one. This is some organic nutmeg. You can get the organic one to buy and grate it and use it and make a cup of tea at home. I'll leave some information in the description box. You guys can also read up on it and see. As I said, it's very, very good for pain, toothache, and also help for blood flow and a lot more stuff, guys. But I will put them in the description box. You guys can read it. Stay blessed. See you next time. Bye-bye.